Basic personal protective equipment in the machine shop environment includes safety glasses, hearing protection, and work shoes. Hard, flat-soled work shoes should always be worn in the shop to prevent sharp pieces of metal from puncturing your foot. Safety glasses are required at all times. Only use safety glasses that are certified by ANSI. Special prescription safety glasses constructed with safety lenses and frames are available. However, side shields must be used when wearing these types of glasses. Keep in mind that ordinary prescription glasses will not provide sufficient safety. Certified safety glasses must be worn over them. When using grinding or heat treating equipment, or anytime stray sparks or hot metal poses a danger, both safety glasses and a face shield should be worn in order to protect the entire face. Work gloves are designed for a variety of uses and are worn to protect the wearer from cuts, chemicals, and extreme heat. In situations where high noise levels are present, it's absolutely essential to protect your ears with either ear muffs, which are simply placed over the ear, or earplugs. These must be compressed and then inserted into the ear canal in order to work effectively.